And there they go, stumbling and stumbling badly. There was Plenty of Joy, but somehow she managed to keep rolling. And Plenty of Joy in front by about a half a length from Spotlight Miss. Up into third in a good spot is Storm with Flair, 3 off the pace, Sunday Rose. Next last is KB's Last Dance, and with about 7 lengths of work in front of her, that's set to run. So they speed down the backstretch, and the leader remains Plenty of Joy. Got her balance and speed with her, she leads ahead. Hounded by Spotlight Miss, while Storm with Flair could be the one stalking the best in third. Sunday Rose fourth. With 4 to gain in fifth is KB's Last Dance, and still yet to kick into high gear is set to run. 5/16 of a mile to travel. Besieged is Plenty of Joy, and there goes Storm with Flair. Not even being asked, takes over the lead by about a length. Storm with Flair now takes over into the stretch. KB's Last Dance, the fresh challenger in second. Out of steam in third. That's Plenty of Joy with Spotlight Miss. They're into the top of the stretch. Storm with Flair now is going to have to hunker down. Storm with Flair a half length better. KB's Last Dance bearing down on her. Storm with Flair responsive on the lead. Storm with Flair half length better. Storm with Flair is going to get it. Storm with Flair from KB's Last Dance. That's the way they'll finish. And coming in third, Sunday Rose, followed by Spotlight Miss in fourth.